Rassistische Onkel heißt das. Ja, lass es.
Oder bei uns nochmal, das ist ja auch nicht.
Ist das die ganze Zeit?
Aber EN war schon.
Die ganze Zeit.
Ne, ich meine, bis wir abheben.
EN.
Start würde ich schon fühlen.
Wie werden seine Zuschauer konfrontieren, wenn ich ganz
Ja,
Rapid Wien! Rapid Wien!
Oder wenn man... Felix, ich hab's gerade gemacht. Ja.
Ist keiner mehr.
Ladies and gentlemen, everyone at Jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays would like to welcome you on board. We hope you have a great journey with us. We shall now take you through our safety procedures and equipment on board this Boeing 737-300 aircraft and ask you for your full attention at this time. In the seat pockets in front of you, you will find a safety instruction card. This highlights important safety information such as escape routes, use of oxygen masks and life jackets. It also shows the bracing position which must be adopted in an emergency landing. Emergency exits are located on both sides of the aircraft. They are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now. There are 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, 2 overwing exits in the centre, and 2 doors at the front. Please take a moment now to locate your nearest exits, bearing in mind this may be behind you. To help you find your way to these exits, additional lighting is provided in the aisle at floor level. If the cabin air supply fails, masks like these will automatically be presented from the panel above your head.
Cabin crew, seats for takeoff, seats for takeoff.